Hello to everyone. Tonight I'm gonna be presenting this AIMO cable tracer, which one I received like 3 days ago, and short after that I realized because it's a faulty one, but on the maximum it's not so loud. It's not loud at all. So I'm gonna show you how to repair it, because it's an easy one. It's an easy repair. So let me open it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it to repair this one. Okay, I took it apart. So as you might guess already, you can see, you might realize straight away what's the problem inside of this. The jack port pins are touching on the back of the speaker, and it's shorting out. So I think the easiest way to repair it is to place something like between them and eliminate that short. So I'm gonna take this user manual and use it to repair this small fault. So see, I'm gonna place this, okay. Let me put all the screws back. Okay. And to make sure everything is in place. Oh, let's test it out first to see if the fault is gone. You see now, it's way louder. Yeah, that was the problem. Okay, as you can see, sometimes the user manual is very useful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or leave a comment. That's it. Thank you.